I'm now with John Lee on the Austin Healey Spares stand. Good afternoon, John.
Good afternoon.
And welcome to the Classic Motor Show 2024.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Right, can we have a little talk about this Roger Moment BN1, please?
Yeah, this is a 1955 Austin Healey BM1. It's been restored lovingly by Roger Moment, a well-known Healey guru. So this has been taken to exacting standards, how it left the factory originally in 1955.
And you've been given permission to look after it for him?
We are now the custodians of this car. We've been very fortunate that Roger's chosen us to look after this, effectively his car for him, yeah.
So have you got any history on it at all?
It was supplied originally to Dusseldorf in Germany. It was then shipped to America. Couple of owners before Roger bought it in 1975, and he owned it up until we've just recently received it from him.
So have you managed to have a drive in it yet?
I have driven it a couple of times, and it's a lovely car, I have to say. Yeah, a lovely car.
I mean, I've always been a fan of a Healey. I could only afford a Frog I like, but the lovely car.
Beautiful car. Frog Eye's a beautiful car, yeah.
So what about the business and the show? Is the show beneficial to you?
It is beneficial to us. I mean, this is probably the biggest classic car show in the UK, more or less on our doorstep, which is very fortunate. And it's a chance for us to see existing customers and new customers, of course. Most of our business is done online, on the phone, emails, so it's nice to actually see people face to face.
And I mean, it's so busy today. I can't believe how busy it is.
It's been a fabulous turnout today. Been very pleased. Yeah, very pleased.
Good for you and good for me.
Indeed, yeah. There's still a good following for classic cars, so yeah, very good for us.
And we've probably got the best day. Tomorrow will be the busiest day, I would think.
I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure tomorrow will be a very busy day. But today we've been very pleased with the turnout today. Very pleased.
So do you do this show every year?
We have done it every year for the last 15 years or so. Yes, yeah.
Do you do any of the other shows?
Not many in the UK. We do Techno Classica in Germany, and we do Retromobile in Paris. Yeah.
Well, thanks very much, John, for the interview.
Thank you. Nice to speak to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks, John.
Thank
you.